showcasing the U.S. robotic dog as the future of military defense. That's what you've never seen before. Meet the robotic dog. This mid-sized, high-endurance marvel is designed to tackle any obstacle, overcome any terrain, and withstand even the harshest weather conditions. With its sleek and durable design, this all-weather ground drone stands ready to serve in defense, homeland security, and a multitude of operational scenarios. Whether it's patrolling unconstructed urban areas or navigating through challenging natural landscapes, this robo-dog fearlessly takes on the mission, ensuring the safety and security of all. But what truly sets the Vision 60Q UGV apart is its incredible versatility and ease of control. Operated remotely by highly trained personnel, this robo-dog can seamlessly perform complex tasks with remarkable precision. Its advanced sensors and state-of-the-art technology allow it to gather valuable intelligence, detect threats, and support vital decision-making processes. Watch closely as this impressive machine navigates through challenging obstacles, effortlessly jumping over barriers and maneuvering through tight spaces. With its unmatched agility, it can swiftly respond to any situation, making it an invaluable asset in critical missions. The 49th Security Forces Squadron has truly outdone themselves with the Vision 60Q UGV. This groundbreaking creation represents a significant leap forward in the world of security and defense, promising a safer and more secure future for us all. Thank you for joining us today to witness this remarkable demonstration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest technological advancements. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned for more amazing content.